What's up, guys? Mike here again with Cashback Realty, and I'm driving down to Fort Lauderdale to go show a couple, one of my clients that I've known for a while, probably about 4 or 5 years now. I've helped them with rentals before, and they're finally ready to purchase a home.
Okay, boy, I'm beating my best, I know. Feeling the buzz, living my life, dancing, let's make some noise.
I've been working with them now for about a year to purchase a home. A couple deals fell through, right? They initially were gonna buy a condo, and I explained to them the purchasing power that you have. I think it would be a better idea for you to possibly use that on a home, a single family home, as opposed to a condo where you're gonna have to pay, a $500-600 a month condo association fee. They listened to my advice on that, and now we're looking at homes. Towards the middle of last year is when they decided they were gonna go ahead and try to buy a single family home. We looked around, but if I'm being honest, they were kind of laissez-faire about it, right? They weren't really, diligent in their search. And they kind of like relaxed a little bit, right? They would look at a home like once every 2 weeks, once every 3 weeks or something like that. And honestly, in this market, you cannot do that. If you're buying a home in a seller's market, you've got to be aggressive, right? And that's one of the things that I preach to my clients. But anyways, this video is mainly to point out 3 mistakes that buyers make in this market now, and I see it over and over and over again, right? There are 3 primary mistakes that buyers make that end up costing them. We've got about 3 or 4 properties to go look at in the $400,000 to $500,000 range, and I'm gonna show you guys some footage of these properties to show you what's out there now for that price range. But last year, this time, these same properties that we're gonna go look at, like 425, 450, we're going for about 380, 350. Do you see? So that's mistake number 1. Mistake number 1 is they waited. Luckily, this couple, they can afford to go up to, the $500,000 price range, right? Their bank will qualify them and give them a loan for up to that price range. However, I have other clients who are pretty much priced out of the market, right? A home that they were looking for $350 now is out of their price range because they can't go above $350, or maybe they can't go above $375. And that same home that we started looking last year for is now going for $450, $480, almost $500,000. You see a property that fits the majority of your criteria. It's in the area that you want, right? The location's good. It has the amount of bedrooms that you want. It's the square footage that you want. It's in the school zone that you want. Buy it. Make the move. Do not wait. Mistake number 2, stop treating your primary residence that you're looking to buy like it's an investment property. What do I mean by that? They're looking at it like it's an investment deal that they're trying to get to cash flow. Your primary residence is not an investment deal. Is buying a home an investment? Yes, it is. But I need you to understand what I'm saying here. What is paramount is that this is going to be your home. It's an investment secondarily. It's an investment after you look at the home as your primary residence, as your homestead. Don't look at it like an investor would look at it. And that's the mistake I've seen, people make. I have one buyer, he could have gotten a home about 10 months ago, but he was so obsessed with the fact that, this seller, he bought the home for this much and he's selling it for this much. Why do you care? Is he selling it for within what the market value is? If the answer is yes, then why do you care? That's not your business. Yeah, he's making a profit. That's his profit. I mean, he was approaching the entire deal as if he was an investor and what kind of return am I gonna get on it? Forgetting the fact that you're looking for a home to live in. And a lot of buyers out there who you're competing with understand this, because that's the reason they're making offers of $20,000 and $30,000 over the asking price, because so many people get that, hey, it's more important that I get this home for my children, for the school zone that it's in. So I'm willing to pay a little bit extra so I can secure this home for me to live in and have somewhere to lay my head at night. The third thing that I see a lot of buyers doing that is costing them is not working with a realtor who can also be their consultant. Now, what do I mean by that? A lot of times why our industry, my industry, gets devalued is because of the fact that so many real estate agents are just order takers, right? They're not actual consultants. They're not bringing value to their clients, right? Work with someone with the experience who you can lean on, who you can go to and say, hey, what do you think I should do in this scenario? What do you think is in my best interest in this scenario? Especially first-time home buyers, you need guidance. You need someone who can help you to make the right decisions, who can tell you, hey, this home that you're walking away from at $350,000 in 6 months to a year is gonna be worth 15 or 10% or even 20% more than what it's going for right now. I've said this so many times. I've done videos on this. I've actually done a video on this. I'll leave a link right up here so you guys can click on it and check it out. But the real estate professional that you work with, the realtor, the real estate broker who you work with, can make or break your deal. All right, so here we are at the first house. It's going for $430. This is the second house that we're gonna look at. All right, not bad. Nice townhouse look. Huge patio. You like the kitchen? Yeah, I like how it's off the master bedroom is a little bit bigger, right? What do you think? You want this room?
I like this.
Abby wants the master bedroom. Kitchen's nice. nice little storage. This is the last house we looked at that day, and as you guys can see, it's fully upgraded. I mean, everything from the kitchen, the countertops, the floors, to the bathroom. The list price on this property was $450. We offered $470, and we still got outbid and did not get the contract. If you're a first-time home buyer, if you're looking to buy a home as your primary residence, don't wait. Buy now. I'm sure you guys are starting to see the interest rates starting to creep up. All those sub 3% rates are going away. Likewise, if you're looking to sell your home, maybe you want to upgrade, maybe you've been thinking about cashing out, this is the time, because in about 6 months, things are going to be really different. If you found value in this video, like, share, subscribe. Have a great day.